Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of ginger and its incredible health benefits when consumed daily. This powerful root has been celebrated for centuries for its unique flavor and remarkable ability to boost immunity, aid digestion, and reduce inflammation. Understanding how ginger impacts your body can transform your health routine. So, whether you're a ginger enthusiast or just curious about its effects, stick around as we explore why adding this superfood to your diet is a game changer. Before diving deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Nutritional profile of ginger. Ginger is not just a flavorful spice, it's packed with essential nutrients that contribute to overall health. Rich in vitamins like B6 and C, and minerals such as magnesium and potassium, ginger supports immune function and promotes healthy digestion. Gingerol, a powerful antioxidant, helps reduce inflammation and combat oxidative stress. Traditionally, ginger has been used in various cultures for its medicinal properties, aiding in everything from nausea relief to pain management. Incorporating ginger into your diet can enhance your well-being in multiple ways. Digestive health improvement. Daily consumption of ginger can significantly enhance your digestive health. Known for its ability to alleviate nausea and indigestion, ginger is a natural remedy for upset stomachs. It stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, which helps break down food more efficiently and promotes smoother digestion. Several studies have shown that ginger can effectively reduce symptoms of nausea, especially in pregnant women and those undergoing chemotherapy. Incorporating ginger into your daily routine can support your digestive system and allow you to enjoy a more comfortable, healthier gut. Anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger is renowned for its powerful anti-inflammatory effects, making it a valuable addition to your health regimen. It contains gingerol, a compound that helps reduce inflammation and alleviate pain throughout the body. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals who have arthritis, as ginger may help decrease joint pain and stiffness. Additionally, athletes often turn to ginger for relief from muscle soreness after intense workouts. Research has shown that regular ginger consumption can significantly lower markers of inflammation, supporting its role as a natural pain reliever. Boosting immunity. Ginger is a powerhouse that strengthens the immune system. Packed with antioxidants, it helps combat oxidative stress and protects the body from harmful free radicals. These antioxidants are crucial in enhancing immune function, making it easier for your body to fight infections and illnesses. Additionally, ginger has natural antimicrobial properties that can help reduce the severity and duration of colds. Incorporating ginger into your daily routine can give your immune system the boost it needs to keep you healthy year-round. Heart health benefits. Ginger offers impressive cardiovascular health benefits, making it a heart-friendly addition to your diet. Research suggests that ginger can help lower cholesterol levels, particularly LDL cholesterol, which is known to contribute to heart disease. Additionally, ginger improves blood circulation by relaxing blood vessels and enhancing overall blood flow. Several studies have linked regular ginger consumption to a reduced risk of heart-related issues, highlighting its potential to support heart health. You can take proactive steps toward a healthier heart by incorporating ginger into your meals. Weight management support. Ginger can be a valuable ally in your weight management journey. It plays a significant role in boosting metabolism, helping your body burn calories more efficiently. Additionally, ginger has been shown to help control appetite and reduce cravings, making it easier to stick to a healthy eating plan. Research supports ginger's effectiveness for weight loss, with studies indicating that regular consumption can decrease body weight and fat. Adding ginger can enhance weight management and promote a healthier lifestyle. Mental health and cognitive function. Ginger may offer surprising benefits for mental health and cognitive function. Research suggests ginger's antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties can help improve cognitive performance and protect against age-related decline. Additionally, ginger has been linked to positive effects on mood and anxiety, potentially reducing feelings of stress and promoting emotional well-being. Studies indicate that regular ginger consumption may enhance brain health, making it a valuable addition to your diet for mental clarity and emotional balance. Incorporating ginger could be a simple step toward better mental wellness. Incorporating ginger into your daily diet can have numerous health benefits, including improved digestion, enhanced immune function, reduced inflammation, and better heart health. Its potential to aid in weight management and support mental well-being makes it a versatile superfood worth adding to your meals. By embracing ginger, you can take proactive steps toward a healthier lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with friends and family for more valuable health tips. Thank you for watching, and stay healthy.